Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. So now I will show you how to prove about this one. So I will select this one. So we have the formula in here. So this is the basic formula. So I will put this one, go to the left, and we got like this. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we know that ABC, that is about the triangle. So that means we have A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. So I will put C, go to the right. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So 8, that is about 180 degrees. B, that is about C. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we got like this. Now this one, that is about number 0 in here. This one, that is about number 0. So if we simplify, we got like this. So negative tan C with number 1. Negative and negative, we have positive. This one cancel this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.